highly recommend itong bees kasi nga napakadaming gamit.
At
Aside
ibinibigay.
from pollination, pollinator, nectar, collect ng pollen. Tapos after nun, yung sinasabi na process pa nito, meron pa siyang honey cider at meron pa siyang beeswax.
Okay. So that's it. Another episode. Thank you so much. It's a Honey Bee Mania with Sir Joel. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your information and your time. And do you want to promote something or like shout out to friends?
Saka na.
Mayain. Napaka-humble po. Very, very grounded po si sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So, agree kayo sa agree?
Agree sa agree.
Yes. Approve.
Ayos.
Panoorin niyo po ang full video sa ating YouTube channel, Agree sa Agri.